In this video, I am going to tell about Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a technology for building apps and organizations holding asset, transaction and communicating without being controlled by central authority. There is no need to hand over all your personal details to use Ethereum. You keep control of your own data. Ethereum has its own cryptocurrency Ether, which is used to pay for certain activities on Ethereum network. We can buy NFT by Ethereum. NFT is a digital form of art. It includes images, videos, audios, etc. that were in digital form. The price of high sold NFT is $69 million and we can make online transaction from any country within few seconds. If you are interested to buy Ethereum, you can use Verix. It is an app used to buy cryptocurrency. My personal experience, I buy Ethereum through Verix with low transaction fees. For more videos, subscribe my channel and support this video.